In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the version of Photoshop that you currently have, just in case you want to update it or if you're just up to date on the current software. So it's a little different if you're on a Mac or a PC. So if you're on a Mac, there's two ways to do this. You can either go to the top bar here where it says Help, and then go to where it says System Info. This brings up a window, and it's not really the most aesthetic pleasing window here, but this is at the very top, it'll show you Adobe Photoshop version 24.6. It could be 25, it could be a lower version. So this is one way to go and find what the version you have, as as well as a bunch of other information stats. If you want them, you can just kind of go through here, a lot of stuff. But that is one way to do it. Another way to do it, if you're on Mac, is very simple and very aesthetically pleasing to go see. So what you want to do is while you're in Photoshop, go to the top left where it says Photoshop, and then just go ahead and click on About Photoshop. Now this is one of the loading screens that you'll sometimes see, but this is a very clear-cut way to look at the version that you currently have, as it says Adobe Photoshop and 24.6.0 release. I kind of feel like I might need to update this. I'm not sure, but that is two ways to find the current version or the version that you currently have of Photoshop on your computer. So I hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.